Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to make a density column here. And first I'm putting in glycerol. Next I'm going to put in some dish soap. And now some water that I put in some blue food coloring with. Mix it with the dish soap a little bit. Let's give it a second here, see if it separates out. I hope so. Some vegetable oil. Some kerosene or lamp oil. And some blue food coloring. Nope, green. Cleveland Colors. Green food coloring didn't work in the kerosene. That's interesting. You can see it down there below it. It doesn't dissolve in the kerosene. You have to look at why that is, solubility rules later. And some ethyl alcohol. Hard to see that on top of the kerosene. Maybe I can get red to work. No, not red, yellow. That's not soluble. All right. Well, let's take a look at that. Let me show you another one I made earlier. This one worked pretty good. I'm going to put a golf ball in this now. Oh boy. Look at that. Is it going to go to the bottom? Whoops, let's do wood next. See what happens. That floats on top. So does a ping pong ball. Huh. Well, I'm going to let it settle here for a minute, see what it does. We'll get a video of it again at the end. Anyway, so there's a density column. Don't drink it. Okay, density column. On the bottom, we have glycerol and a golf ball, which is slightly less dense, sitting on top of that. And then we have dish soap, and the dish soap I think has mixed with the water that was sitting above it. We have some vegetable oil, and the vegetable oil's got the two dyes that I dropped in that did not dissolve in the kerosene or the ethyl alcohol. So the top there has some wood sitting, I think, on top of, it looks like on top of the kerosene within the ethanol. The ethanol is sort of floating the ping pong ball there. So that top greeny part is the ethanol, and then the kerosene is below that. And sitting on top of the vegetable oil, which at the bottom of the kerosene has the non-dissolved food coloring that I put in there. So that, I believe, is the density column.